Howdy ho, everyone. Good morning. It's your girl Lisa with Papoose Creations. Happy Wednesday. Um, Again, we are batch filming. I've got my granddaughter with me, and I don't want to take any time away from her. So let's get into it. Again, we're going to bypass spins and no spins because I'm going to have to catch you up on that because I don't know how well we're doing this week. So let's just get right into um, our hearts. Today is the 28th, um, and here's $5. So let's get right into this. $5. Let's put this back and take a 10. Look here, we have $150, y'all. Wow, blows my mind. Okay. Alrighty. So today is Tinies Day. Let's see, what do we have here? I'm gonna wait for my this or that. Did I do that right? I didn't do that right. I did not do that right. I took my 20, didn't I? I think I took my 20. Y'all. Y'all. Should have 140 in there. Okay. Okay. So this is what we've got to mess with today. Hopefully, I don't know if we're gonna. We'll see what happens. So, um, let me see. Let me take these twos out and put in a 5, and we will do this. I don't know what they're all riled up about. I'm coloring in a 1. I think my husband's outside and didn't take the dogs with him. This is from Beautiful Budgets Company. I just did a $1 today. This is from CBA Mom Saves. We're going to finish this one today. And again, the Tinies, I'm going to try my hardest to, I need change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to try my hardest not to mess with any of this money until the end of the year. Did I put a 5 in here? I don't think I did. Y'all, I can't think. Oh well, if I didn't, it got double. Okay, so that one's done. Okay, there's that. Here is this one. Oh, these are just $1. These are just $1. So we'll finish this one today. Okay, so that's $4. We'll take these. Oh, finish that. Okay. And this is $1. I mean $5. How is everybody's week going? I hope everybody's doing well. I'm sure by now I am in desperate need of a nap. My granddaughter here, she's 10, but she thinks Grammy is 10 as well, and she wants, um, um, me to do all the things. I'm sure we've been to the pool 1,000 times and um, um, done all the things. Okay, so we've finished May, and I will get it set up for June. And oh, look, we're finishing this one. Okay, that's cool. This is Oma Crafts and Budgets. We're just going to throw some little green on it. Put that there, and we'll put a little brown in there. Look at that. It looked a little warped, didn't it? That's because I'm not taking my time like I normally do. All right. Look, we did get through it. All right. All right. You know what I need to do? I need to make me an envelope that's got May and put the May finished ones. Or maybe I'll just leave it like it is. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, so there's this. Maybe I'm not going to track it as well as maybe I should. Okay, so here's this. And we've got $15, so we can roll. And we've got number 10. Ooh, ooh, y'all. And we have to pick us a multiplier. Y'all. All right, let's times it by 2. We're locked in now. Y'all, scared. I'm scared. Okay. Got $4. Whoo, doggy. I was scared. Okay. So we have $11 left. Okay. 8. I need you like flowers need the sunshine. I need you like. So what did I do? 4 minus 15. Have $11. 11. Let's go ahead and do that 9. Okay. So we'll put this up and we'll go to my, oh, we can go there. Here, let's go here. I forget about this section. And let's do a 2. And there we go. All right. Now, we have that $15 taken care of quick, fast, and in a hurry, don't we? All righty. Y'all. And there we go. All righty. I will see you all bright and early Thursday morning. And remember, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Bye bye.